Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about how to connect Wix website to Shopify. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. Website migration is the process of moving your website's data, content, and functionality from one platform to another. In this video, we're taking your Wix website and seamlessly integrating it into Shopify using a powerful tool that we have in here, the Light extension. So let's explore how it is done. To start the data migration process from Wix to Shopify, you must go through the following steps. So you'll need to back up Wix database and create a new Shopify website. Let's start in backing up your Wix site. So we recommend making backups for your Wix store database to protect all vital data. So to do this, you'll need to click the three horizontal lines beside design site and click on duplicate site. So we recommend doing this backups for your Wix store to protect all vital data. Now it's time to export your orders on Wix store. So first go to store products, then click on products. Right after that, tick the order checkbox to select all orders and export. So you'd be able to receive the file or a CSV file on your browser. Now let's move to setting up your new Shopify store. So if you don't have a Shopify store yet, you can create a free trial to Shopify account. So just need to go to Shopify website and then fill in your email address, then click start free trial. You'll be redirected to the starting up page or getting started page. They will ask you a few questions in there. You'll just need to answer all of them so that they would be able to set up your account accordingly. Now they will verify your account or validate it, and you'll just wait so that you'll be headed to the Shopify's dashboard. Now your account or store is ready. Now let's introduce the tool that we're going to use. The Light extension simplifies the migration process, reduces downtime, and ensures your new Shopify store retains all the essence of your original website. It's like a magic wand for website migration, making the transition smooth and hassle free. Now that you have a glimpse of what the Light extension can do, let's dive into the step by step process of using it to connect your Wix website to Shopify. Now, to start, just click on Log In, or if you don't have an account, sign up for this. So just fill in the email or password, or if you want to connect it to Facebook or Google, just click on it. Next, so just a quick more step, just fill in all of the details that are asked, and then click I'm done. Now you'll be able to see their dashboard, and what we're gonna do in here is we'll head back to Shopify's dashboard. Now you have an account already in Light extension, so we'll try to install that extension here on Shopify to connect it easily. So just click on Add Apps, then click on All Recommended Apps, scroll down and click Shopify App Store. And from there, you'd be able to see the different apps that is available in Shopify that you can install. Now on the upper part, head to the search bar and type in Light Extension. You'd be able to see Light Extension Store Mitigation. Click on that. You can see here on the middle part, you'll just need to click on Install. You'll be redirected to a page wherein it asks you to choose an account. So just click onto your account to proceed. Then it will take you back to Shopify's dashboard. Make sure to read in all of the details that you're agreeing when you install the app. So right after, just click on Install the app on the upper part. Now you'll be redirected onto the setting up page. So you would be able to see in there source card type and then the source card URL. For the source card type, you'll need to scroll down in there to find Wix. So as you can see, we'll just need to click that. So as you can observe, it changed. So it added an admin email and an admin password. So since we have Wix already in the source card type, in the source card URL, you'll need to provide your source card URL in there. So you can copy the URL of your store from a browser's address bar. So that is the link of the store that you have in Wix. So just copy the one that you have in the address bar and then paste it here. The next thing is to add in your admin email. So this is the email address that you use into logging in Wix. The same thing in admin password. So just put in the password that you use in logging in Wix. Right, right after filling up all of the details, just scroll down and then you'll be able to see the target cart setup. So in the target cart type, you'd be able to put in their Shopify and then target cart URL, your Shopify site's URL. So we won't have to change anything in here since it is already pre-added because we're doing this into Shopify's website. So up next, just click on Next, Configure Your Mitigation. Up next in here is the configuration. So this is where you select which entities to migrate from Wix to Shopify. Lit extension supports almost all data types, so you can either tick all or only the necessary categories you want, which are the products, customers, orders, or etc. So during the Wix to Shopify migration, this depends on your purpose, so make sure to read and select it accordingly. So scroll down and then you'd be able to see additional option. Lit extension provides various additional options to extend your data import functionality. In other words, these features help you solve serious problems normally occurring after a migration. So as you can see into this part, so you can choose to migrate SEO URL and create the 301 redirects after migration to avoid any 404 errors when customers access the old URLs. This helps you maintain customer experience and also SEO ranking. So if you scroll down more, you can map your order status or language right on this tab so that they will be displayed correspondingly on the Shopify site. So you can select order status on the Shopify to fit your needs, either exact the same or in a different way as in Wix Store. Whatever variant you choose, you can control how your orders will be migrated to avoid any confusion after the migration. So as you can see in here, we have the source order status, the target order status, and target fulfillment status. So you can put it in there if you authorize or if it is unfulfilled or fulfilled yet. So if you're satisfied already with that, you can proceed to the full weeks to Shopify migration. So your dashboard should look like this. So click on Start Full Migration Now, the one with the red arrow, to proceed. Lit Extension's data migration process is cloud-based, so it is completely safe to turn your browser or PC off. So just take a break and you will be notified via email when the process finished. Furthermore, your current Wix store can remain active during the migration, so there will be no revenue loss. So the whole migration process can also be done in the Light Extension website. The process will go the same as what we've guided you through above. The only difference is that you'll need to get the API password because the target card is not automatically connected to your current Shopify store. And there you have it, the inside scoop on the Light extension and how it's about to make your website migration dreams a reality. We hope this overview has given you a taste of the seamless and efficient migration process that awaits you. Remember, the Light extension is your ticket to hassle free website migration, allowing you to take your business to new heights without the headache. Thank you very much for joining us today. And if you've liked this video, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell for more tutorial videos. And until then, happy migrating and best of luck on your e commerce adventure.